Hello and welcome to day 5 of the 5 days of fall. I've kind of started cutting up the pages. Here's Julie's and then mine. And today it's a layered pocket that I have. Like that, and then this would go on top like that. However, I don't want to do that. I used the big piece, the big tag, as the template, and I cut out 2 additional tags, and then I did the same thing with vellum for the larger pocket. And then what I thought was I would use this guy with this tag, this one with this tag, and then this one with this one. These 2 sheets came from Michael's paper pad, you know, the Hot Buy, like a couple of years ago, and I had this paper in my stash, and it's perfect. So, and then, okay, so then I was going to use some of Julie's things as the items to go in the pockets. So I just wanted to show you that I just used this as, or the big one as a template. And now I just need to maybe use my board for the scoring, because maybe it will be straight. And then So you're not watching the other 5 days of fall, you should, because there's so many ideas using it. But that's right, I'll see if I can link the video. Who was it? I think it was about so I might say that everybody does it. I'll glue this onto here. Just need a little glue. That can go like that. And a little ink. Now, if I was gonna like clip this into my journal, I would probably back this, but because I'm gonna glue this to my page, I think it'll be fine, and I think that'll be fine. And then if I did it with cardstock, it might get it a little too bulky, since I'm gonna probably have 3. And then we have this one. That will go like that. That would also make a cute belly band on this tag. That would be cute. But I think I'm gonna make it a tuck. A little pocket, I guess, is what it is, a little pocket. There we go. Again, I didn't fold it very well, even with the scoring. A little ink. Okay, and then this one with the vellum. That's on here. Oh, no. So now we have these. And I was thinking that this one can go in here. You know what? To save some time, I'm gonna cut these out, probably back them, and then I'll be back and we'll figure out what goes with what. Okay, so I did some stitching around the outside of the pockets, and I added some craft. Just stuck these guys in here for now, and these guys in there. And then this one is going to go in here, but I thought it'd be fun to add some of these Tim Holtz die cuts. And again, I added the double-sided tape when I die cut them, so it makes it super easy to just kind of peel and stick. Alright, tuck this in. There we go. Cute. There we go. Alright, so that's good. I'm going to label. I'm going to add just the 3 cents on the side. Like that. There we go. We also have all of these guys, but I might save those for something else. All right, let's take a look at these two. I think I'm going to use Changing Leaves, or maybe how about Pumpkin Patch? And we can stick that right there. Yep, I like it. And then this one, I think we'll add the number 1. We'll stick that right there. All right, I like that. And then we have these other labels for somewhere else in the journal. So those are super cute. I like them. I could add fabric or something to the top, but I think for now I'm just gonna leave them. And that's our day 5. Oh, and I also have this journaling card that I'm gonna actually make into a tuck spot. But there is our day 5, and tomorrow I have a wrap-up video. I'm gonna show you my completed journal. And I think that's it for the 5 days. Tomorrow I'll have a wrap-up. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.